Now I want to get rid of the diary page and merge it with the home page. So let's get started. I will actually begin with the link in the navigation bar. So we go to Views, Shared, Layout, and here it is. We delete this whole block. Save. So we only have our home page and our about page. Next, we go to the controllers. So because I want to get rid of the diary page, the diary subfolder, and the home page, I want to move the logic I have in our diary controller to the home controller. So I will copy and paste the two action methods into our home controller. Okay, I have to import some usings here. Okay, I have to import some namespaces here. Now I can delete the diary controller. Yes. And now that I don't have the diary controller anymore, I have to go to Views, Diary, and move my diary view to the home folder. And then I can delete the diary folder also. Let's see how we fix the mess we just made. So back to the home controller. Let's see. Let's just for a moment comment out the new code we just inserted here from the diary controller and have a look at the original index action method. We will still have to allow anonymous users because we want to show the login button and the text there. But for the authenticated users, we want to show our actual application, the diary. So let's see. If user.identity.is authenticated, let's return the view diary. That's the view we just moved to our home folder. Let's build and test in the browser. Reload the application. Okay, we are not logged in and see the home page with the login button. Okay, have to fix that. It's still pointing to the diary controller. So let's fix that. In the home page. Okay. Here instead of the diary, we have to point directly to our login now. So if I remember correctly, this was the account controller and the login action method. So let's save and retry. Login. Demo. And here we are in our diary. Log off. Okay, this looks nice. Let's try again. log in again, we see the diary. We are still missing the logic from our diary controller to load our entries from the database and save new entries. So let's fix that. You open up the home controller, uncomment the code. We go to our get action method from the diary controller and copy the block that populates the entry list. So copy and paste it in here. So this should load the data, and only in case we have our authenticated user, and returns the diary view. Let's clean that up so we can delete this method. Let's build and test our changes. Reload the application. Okay, that's looking great. We see our entries. Let's see if we actually can add a new one. Test after refactoring. Uh-oh. Okay. We are trying to request the URL diary. So let's go back to Visual Studio and fix that. I suppose that's in our diary view, and it has to do with the page our form is pointing to when we click the submit button. So we don't have this diary controller anymore. So this should say home. Looks good. Let's save and test. Okay, back to the form. After refactoring, this looks better. Let's test the log off again. Looks nice. Log in. Demo login. Another one. That's looking great. So we have streamlined our application. It's now simpler to use, and the user has to spend less time to figure out where he should go and where he should click. Let's go back to Visual Studio and commit to source control. Merge diary page form. Remove diary into home refactoring and commit.